In the world of materials, few phenomena are as relentless and pervasive as rust. This quiet yet voracious process has been at work for centuries, silently consuming metal structures across the globe. But what exactly is rust, and why does it have such an insatiable appetite for metal? Rust, at its core, is the result of a chemical reaction, specifically the oxidation of iron. When iron is exposed to oxygen and moisture, it reacts to form iron oxide, commonly known as rust. This reaction is an electrochemical process where iron atoms lose electrons to oxygen atoms. The presence of water accelerates this process, acting as a medium that facilitates the movement of electrons. This is why maritime environments, with their humid air and salty water, are particularly harsh on metal. The rusting process is relentless because it creates a self-perpetuating cycle. As iron rusts, it expands, forming a flaky, porous layer that exposes more of the underlying metal to the elements, allowing the process to continue unabated. Over time, this can lead to significant structural damage as the integrity of the metal is compromised. This is not just a concern for old bridges and forgotten machinery. The effects of rust can be seen everywhere, from the hulls of ships to the beams of skyscrapers. In fact, it's estimated that rust and corrosion account for billions of dollars in damage worldwide each year. However, humanity has developed strategies to combat this relentless foe, with one of the most effective methods being the application of paint. But why does paint stop rust? The answer lies in its ability to create a protective barrier. When a metal surface is coated with paint, it is shielded from the oxygen and moisture in the environment. High-quality paints contain inhibitors that slow down the process of oxidation, further prolonging the life of the metal beneath. By preventing the initial contact between iron and the elements, paint effectively arrests the rusting process before it begins. But not all paints are created equal. The effectiveness of paint as a rust deterrent depends on its composition and thickness. Paints designed for metal surfaces often contain rust-inhibiting compounds and are formulated to adhere tightly to the surface, ensuring a robust barrier. Additionally, regular maintenance and repainting are crucial to ensure ongoing protection, as any cracks or chips in the paint can allow moisture to seep through and start the rusting process anew. In the ongoing battle against rust, innovation continues to play a crucial role. Advances in materials science are leading to the development of new coatings and treatments, further enhancing our ability to protect metal. Yet, despite these advancements, the fundamental relationship between rust, metal, and paint remains unchanged. It is a delicate balance between nature's relentless processes and human ingenuity. As we continue to build and innovate, understanding this interplay will be key in preserving the structures that define our world. Rust may be a formidable adversary, but with the right tools and knowledge, it is one we can effectively keep at bay.